Former MK Party national organizer MacDonald Matabe has rebuffed claims by advocate Dali that he was instrumental in forming the Umkhonto Party alongside former South African President Jacob Zuma. In an interview with the Radio 702, Matabe accused Mpofu of fabricating the narrative around his involvement and said Mpofu is lying. He knows very well that Zuma never wanted him involved. Mpofu previously claimed that he and Zuma were the original architects of the Umkhonto Party, a project he said they discussed after 2022 African National Congress conference. According to Mpofu, he and Zuma had exclusive talks spanning nearly a year and said there was a time when former President Zuma and I were the only people who knew about this project. Mpofu was referring discussions on the Umkhonto Party's purpose and direction. However, Matabe painted a very different picture, indicating that Zuma had intentionally distanced Mpofu due to his role in the economic freedom fighters. Matabe claimed his own work was focused behind the scenes to resist pressures to align the EFF, and said Mpofu, Duduzile Zuma and others were pushing for Zuma to endorse the EFF. But I told him that aligning with the EFF will be a significant error. If people wanted the EFF, they would have voted for the EFF. According to Matabe, Zuma was also cautious of Mpofu's dual involvement in both the EFF and his ongoing legal battles, and said Zuma was concerned that Mpofu was busy with his case, while also being active in the EFF. The Umkhonto Party, which officially launched in December 2023, was positioned as a counter to what Matabe described as the ANC's shortcomings and betrayal of its roots. Matabe underscored the party's goal to reclaim and realign South Africa's political direction, eventually reconnecting with the ANC, and said, "We are moving from this side to correct what we need to correct." Matabe added that he advocated for building alliances across the political spectrum, especially with the other left-leaning parties. To fortify the Umkhonto Party's standing, he recounted conversations with Mpofu, urging collaboration, and said, "I said, Dali, start reaching out to leaders on the left, and let's bring them together. Then we can meet with Zuma, who can provide an overview of our path forward." With different accounts from Matabe and Mpofu, the question of who truly shaped the Umkhonto Party's early stages remains contested. The Umkhonto Party has publicly framed itself as a corrective force, but whether it will serve to bridge divides or deepen existing political rifts is still to be seen. Also, in an interview with Newsroom Africa, Matabe, a former member of Umkhonto Party, has also raised questions about former President Jacob Zuma's claims regarding his role in the formation of the organization. According to Matabe, Zuma did not establish the Umkhonto Party, nor did he participate in its initial stages, as he was reportedly in Russia for health reasons during early discussions. Matabe further stated that Zuma's name is absent from the party's founding documents, which he says were primarily shaped by tribal kingdoms, churches, and other individuals. He said that President Zuma wasn't interested in joining Umkhonto Party initially, adding that it took months of persuasion before Zuma agreed to align with the party. Matabe emphasized that Zuma's commitment to the African National Congress had been unwavering, stating that he himself always says he will die an ANC member. The debate over the Umkhonto Party's origin has also seen former Umkhonto Party member Khumalo, who had a public dispute with Zuma's daughter Duduzile Zuma, claiming himself as the true founder. Khumalo, who was expelled from the party, contends that he was instrumental in registering the Umkhonto Party, challenging any narrative that attributes its creation to the former president. The controversy highlights ongoing divisions within the party and questions the authenticity of claims surrounding its founding. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.